So here we are again, being called a hater. And I know this is directed towards me because the bottom, it says lose some weight and then call me. I'm a hater. I'm mad because you get so many views, but this don't look like so many views, which I don't care about views. Anyway, I'm also going to play a clip of him admitting to taking $1,000 up front without doing any type of work, and then getting mad because the lady wants him to do his job that she paid him to do. Anyway, y'all watch this video. All right, y'all. Little Andre's at it again, admitting to taking a one-time fee of $1,000 and then complaining because the lady wanted him to help fill out the form for his services. This is why you don't pay anybody up front for credit repair. Just listen to this.
They're self-entitled. And I had one lady, she's like, I'm too busy to repair my credit. I gave her some instructions to fill out. And actually the instructions takes like 5 minutes. 90%, actually more, I'd just say 97, probably more than 97% of people get that done in like 5 minutes. But some people refuse to follow it, and their justification for not following the instructions is that they're busy and I need to do it. Well, if I could do things for you, I wouldn't ask you to, right? So some person says, well, I paid you $1,000. I shouldn't be fixing my credit. What they basically mean is they shouldn't do anything. I have to fix it for them. Well, okay, I understand that, but there's going to be things that you have to do that I can't do. So when it comes to credit, you're dealing with technology and you're dealing with the bureaus, okay? Excuse me.
So if exposing scammers makes me a hater, then I'm definitely a hater. Y'all be careful who you sign up with. These people want you to think they're smart. These people want you to think they're good at what they do. Once you pay them, they got what they wanted. This is why they charge one-time fees. But to say you'll just fire the lady because she doesn't want to fill out the personal information, so you're going to keep that $1,000 and fire her because you don't want to do your job. That's terrible, dude. That is terrible, terrible business.